Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in your kitchen areas near water sources like sink, it's not uncommon to see a very thin layer of mold near the quartz or a planks's joint. Okay. Now, how you can fix it? There are many ways, but it's always good to keep the area dry. Like whenever you use sink, remove excess water from it so that there's no water accumulation and that leads to mold formation. Okay, but still it happens. So in order to treat it, there are certain ways that I'm gonna suggest, okay, based on my experience and how it works. First of all, when you're trying to do it, make sure it is dried, okay, and then you can get such things like mold remover gel. Okay, it's available in Amazon and also various brands and all available in home hardware stores like Home Depot. So the one I have taken, what it does is you need to put it over here. Where is, okay, it has to be dried first and then put in the impacted area. Okay, then what you're gonna do, like you're gonna wait for few hours, okay, like 3 to 4 hours, and then you're gonna check it again that how whether it is dried or something. I mean, and then you can use a brush or some other tools. It comes with a stripper brush also that you can use to rub this area after it is done, because basically what it's going to loosen this mold, and that you can just strip it off and it should go away. But again, depending upon the intensity and depending upon the area and depending upon how deep mold formation is, sometimes it may take longer, but this is how you can treat it. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.